want to check. Talk about check and deposit in account and all this stuff. It'll be these customers, man. It'll be these customers. Well, guys, welcome to the vlog. Welcome back to another session. We are currently in the studio. Where we left off on the last video was we was putting this car together. This one, and we did the CTS turbos, all the additional modification to support the mods for this car, downpipe, etc, 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 etc. So I don't want to go all over the N54 stuff. It's tuned on MHD, has XHP transmission tune as well. Yeah, we might go for a test drive in the afternoon to deliver it to the customer. But this is where we're at on this one. The boys are finally here. It's always one of them in the shop. You never get both of them. But finally, here they are. Well, I'm never here, so that's how that part goes. But there's Damien, my guy Paul. We are here just finishing up. The customer, they just don't know what he wants. 1 minute he wants to, I hope he's watching this video when it gets go lives on YouTube. But 1 minute he wants to put a 1M bumper on. The next minute he wants to keep the stock bumper. The next minute this shit don't line up. The next minute he got a real 1M lip. The next minute none of the carbon shit fits. So, with that being said, we're sick and tired of this car. Sick and tired, but we love our customers, so just gotta get it done. Differently from that being said, we got this car out. The Audi left earlier today. I didn't get to record the A4 at all, so we're gonna get going on this Renault right here soon. Window regulator and some boost lines. That's coming for this car next, and then roof cloth for one of those cars. That vert over there has I think it's bent. One of the cylinders are bent, and we gotta put some work on that. I'm still ECS. Where's my axles? For fuck's sake. But anyway, ECS, still waiting on my axles. They sent me the wrong ones, and now we're still here. So this car is stuck on a lift. I wish I was driving it tomorrow to my boy's funeral, but sadly, I won't be able to. Unless somebody find me an axle by tonight. All right. She starts, she runs. I'll maybe have one of the boys give it a little run for you in a few.
I'm wondering if we should just put them all over there and call it a day.
It's not threaded in there. Is the metal clip underneath it?
Yeah.
Is there a little clip under there? Damn, this side came off too. No worries. Yeah, guys, that's just the little update we have. Tomorrow is my boy Red's funeral. Got my condolences to his family. We are in the lab as well, making some stickers for the cars tomorrow. I currently have that in motion right now. So here, I'll get your merch, guys. Make sure you always shop for your merch. Here we go. Matt Canil, Red Forever. Rest in peace. Shout out to you, my guy, for always believing in us. So in our return tomorrow, I currently have some stickers going. I'll get a few lined up, so if anybody wants to rock a few tomorrow, we could. So that's where we're at right now. Differently from that, we got the setup going. Nice little, yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna tune out for now until I go for a drive to test drive the car. So that's where we're at. So I'll see you guys then when I hop in the car. She's all warmed up. I'm ready to go. I'm about to open the shop doors and put her outside, and then shut the shop down. There should be some fun rental stuff coming soon for this car. I can't wait. And ECS, where's my axle? Too close for comfort. Now I gotta plug that scan in just in case. I gotta check that boot mod. But yeah, I'm about to, the customer insists on getting the car back. We're done, but I wanted to do some more fine tuning. But the car is really driving really great. The transmission tune from XHP is really good. Like it's, ooh, my baby. I should put her in next and bleed her, but I will get there. But this is where we're at right now. So she's, let me see where the oil temp is at. I need a little bit more to warm up, but she's running really good. She's a healthy car. I'm gonna go close up and then come back. So all right, bet I'll see you guys in a few when I go for the drive. Okay. Oh, I'm not beating on it too hard. I'm still trying to break the turbos in. Still trying to break the turbos in. That shit get loud. Oh, yeah, the tracks on the back. He already know he needs to address those, but the car never came in for that for us. Like when you hear that slamming in the back, I don't want to beat on a car too much. I just want to break the turbos in, you know, just get them flowing a little bit. Cruising at 80. Yeah, guys, that's basically it. I mean, I'm not gonna give you guys no hard N54 pulls. I'm just monitoring the car, IATs, lambda, temperature, etc., all that stuff, making sure it don't give me no warning signs or anything like that, you know. It's yeah, so that's really where I'm at. Just making sure the car is good, I'm good, and take it on a nice little drive. But for sure though, I got you guys with the big boy pulls. I got you guys with the big boy pulls. So I do have some slicks in the rear, so I do have to be careful because it's not really wet, but the road is like ice on the road. So yeah, you could see it. But differently from that, the car is chilling, man. We know this XHP Tune with the transmission is running really great. Shout out to XHP. This is a 6-speed tune. I love the downshifts on this car when it's in like sport mode or something like that. Like the downshifts be, yeah. Shout out to you, XHP. You know what you're doing. We slightly tuned this car. We didn't do too much on it. Still on pump gas until the owner breaks the car in, and then because the whole, you can't see it now, it's dark in here, but the whole back section of the car is like gutted. But yeah, oh, you could hear the fucking blow off valve every time you step on it and let off. It's insane. It is a 6-speed, there you go. And this car only has 60,000 miles on it, so it's a very low mileage car. The owner also owns a 1M clone, which is pretty fucking sick if you ask me. I just wanted to finish up this vlog good, where I could show you guys that we completed a car, delivered the car, and etc., with the business, and you know. And what time is it now? It's like 7:14. So the grind never stops. We still on the grind. I don't have my head